Hi and welcome to another interesting lesson on this channel. In today's class, I will be walking you through on how to make a beautiful tank top with this stretchy material. So we have our material folded like this into 4. This is a stretch material I'm working with here. So we want to draw our starting line. This is our starting line. That will be serving as our shoulder line. We mark to the desired length of our tank top. You can make use of between 18 to 21. Also add your sewing allowance. So you mark it like so if you're making for an adult. So I have 4 layers here. I'm marking 2.5 inches for the neck width and also marking 1.5. This is our shoulder, and I came down by 1/2 inch like so, and I connect just to slope it 2.5, 1.5, and I came down by 1/2 inch, and you connect this way. Mark your armhole depth measurement. So you can work with 9 inches here, and you connect it to that shoulder line this way. You get the midpoint, go in by 1/2 inch. Quarter of your bust circumference, you will be minusing 1 inch, and you add also 1/2 inch for sewing allowance. This is a stretch material, so we do not need too much sewing allowance. Quarter of that area as well, minus 1 inch plus 1/2 inch for sewing allowance. So that is what I marked there. You connect the points this way. This is actually a stretch material, and we want this tank top to be firm on our body. So we'll connect our armhole this way. For our back neck depth, you can go with 1 inch, front 4 inches. You also mark that 1.5 we'll have at the neck as the neck width, and connect it straight like this. This will guide you in shaping out the neck area. Just take it this way, and that is it. Also the back area. This is for our back and front neckline. So we'll cut it out. We'll be cutting our back neckline first, after which we will cut out the front neckline. Like this. Carefully follow the markings and cut it out. This is it. So we separate the back from the front and cut out the front neckline. You take it gradually like this and cut it out. So this is it for our front. So for the back, we'll be going in at that back armhole, because the back armhole is actually deeper. So I went in by 1/2 inch. You can go in by 1 inch just to give it that shape, like so, and you cut it out. This is it, and this is all for the cutting. You can see that the back is deeper than the front. So what we'll be doing next is to join it at the shoulder area using our overlocker machine. So we have succeeded in joining What we'll do now is to measure the armhole area and cut out our taping material, because we'll be taping the armhole area and the neck area, just to finish it up and to give it a professional look. So I'm marking 2 inches there for our taping. I marked 2 inches like so, and we cut them out. This tank top is actually easy to make. You can also sew this on your normal sewing machine. Make sure the material you are working with is actually stretching. You can see we cut out the stretching area. So what we'll be doing next is to measure that neck area like this. Whatever we have, we times it by 2. We times it by 2 and take away 2 inches from that measurement. You times it by 2 and take away 2 inches. That will help the neck to be firm. Measure the armhole area as well. Times whatever you have there by 2 and minus 2 inches from it. So we sew it this way. We close them together like this and attach it to the neck area and to the armhole area using our overlocker machine. When working with a stretch material, it is best to work with an overlocker to give your work a professional finishing. If you want to do this as a business by producing different sizes of tank top, you have to work with an overlocker machine so that your work will be neat. So this is it. You can as well use a matching thread for this. So if you're attaching, make sure you are stretching that binding material. You stretch it so that it will be equal to the armhole measurements. Like this, stretch it as you sew. Like this. You can see. Join it together this way and you sew. Fold it into 2 this way. Attach it. Stretch it to be equal to that neck area. You have to stretch that binding material as you sew. This way. This will help it to be firm, and we hem the lower side as well. Just fold it inward this way and flip it out again like so. You fold it in and also bend it this way. You can just fold it the way we normally fold our normal materials. Or you can use a cover stitch for this. So this is it for our sewing. You can see how neat it is. So this is a beautiful tank top. You can see it is beautiful, neat, and okay. This is the blue color I made earlier. You can actually start this as a business. You produce in different sizes. Thank you for watching. God bless you.